Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Lesson number 3, Why Boys Fail in College by Herbert E. Hawkes. Text हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So in our this lecture, we are going to attempt exercise. So move to the next board to discuss the exercise of the chapter. Okay students, let's start discussion of our exercise. So बोर्ड पे तवज्जो दीजिएगा. आंसर्स, क्वेश्चंस सब कुछ आपके सामने होगा. So first question है, according to the author, there are some boys who fail because they don't try. Who are they? Can we help them? तो आंसर है, according to the author, there are some boys who fail because they do not try. They are the students who suffer from nervous habits, mistaken ambition, poor physical health, financial problems, overconfidence, non-seriousness, etc. We can help them by just pointing out the problem. The boys should change their habits by themselves. So, very accordingly the text है, अच्छी तरह तैयार कीजिएगा. So question number 2 पे चलते हैं. How does mistaken ambition on the part of boys and their parents lead to the failure of the boys? Mistaken ambition के बारे में. तो आंसर देखिए. Mistaken ambition on the part of the parents leads to the failure of the boys because they follow a direction mapped out by their parents that runs opposite to all of their interests and abilities. They are forced to study the subjects which they don't like, and as a result they fail. So third question की तरफ चलते हैं. यकीनन आप सब समझ रहे हैं. There are some boys who have done well at school but fail to make their mark at college. Who are they? लेसन आपने पढ़ा हुआ है तो यकीनन आपको सब समझ आ रहा है. Do you have such boys in college in your country? So आइए आंसर की तरफ तवज्जो दीजिए. They are the bright boys. Bright boys, intelligent boys, who consider college level an easy step. They become overconfident and do not work hard. They suppose that they can plod through college with as little effort as they did through school. So they fail to make their mark at college. We have many such boys in the college of our country. So dear students, fourth question की तरफ चलते हैं. Question number 4. How does financial pressure lead to the failure of students described in the lesson? तो आंसर क्या है? Financial pressure leads to the failure of students because they themselves have to earn for their college expenses. They have to do part-time jobs to make both ends meet because their parents do not support them. It always has an adverse effect on their health and education. We have many similar cases in our country. So fifth question की तरफ चल रहे हैं. Getting it? Well then. Fifth question है, to what extent does the question of health lead to the failure at college? How far can the college authorities with their medical officers help students in such cases? तो आंसर को जरा तवज्जो दीजिए. An immense number of boys fail due to poor physical and mental health. They cannot concentrate on the assigned task properly. Due to different diseases, the college authorities can prevent their failure if they have an adequate health service and a proper cooperation between the teaching staff and the college doctor. Question number 6. What place would you accord to sportsmen in colleges? Sportsmen, आंसर जरा तवज्जो दीजिएगा. Sportsmen are the celebrities of any college. The co-curricular activities and sports have their own place in college, and only those students should participate in them who are interested in them and want to become professional. So last question है हमारी exercise का इस lesson में से. So देखते हैं क्या है. There are some students who join college for the fun of it. Should they be allowed to stay? What advice does the writer give about the lazy bluffers? Question clear है? तो आइए आंसर देखते हैं. There are few lazy bluffers who do not find any serious interest in life and join college just for fun. Sometimes they learn a lesson and return to do first-rate work. The writer advises that they should not be allowed to stay if they don't change their behavior, because one black sheep can contaminate others too. So, my dear ones, we have discussed the exercise 2. So, please do prepare it, must prepare it. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.